So before using WebEngage, we were using multiple platforms for different channels. For example, for web push, we were using a different platform. For app push, we were using a different platform. And for email also, we were using a different platform. Now the problem was that we didn't have any central database where we could have all the data at one place just to make sense out of the data. All right, so at that point we had no clue, and of course the messaging that goes out from each channel was not in tandem with the user behavior and also the timing. So that is where the need to have one platform that would allow us to send notifications and other outbound messaging communication basically. We felt the need of going for one platform, and that is where we started with WebEngage. And uh, in general, like what it did is that it got everything under one roof. So now, you can. I mean, one of the best things about it is that you can have multiple journeys and multiple channels under one journey, and the user will be reached with the best possible channel on the which the user is most active. All right. So let's say earlier, I'll tell you what used to be the case is that we used to have multiple add to cart journeys running. For email, we had a different journey. For web push, we had a different journey. For app push, we had a different journey. All right, even for WhatsApp. But now with WebEngage, we can have just one journey uh, of add to cart, and based on where the user is most active, the user will be reached out through that channel. And if the user is unavailable on that channel, then the second best channel will be used as a medium to reach out to the user. So in terms of revenue, I would say that our email marketing has done very well. I mean, right, when we started, we were almost zero, and now I mean not exactly zero, but then we have grown over 10x. Okay, when it comes to email marketing, our app business has also doubled, almost doubled. It has grown by almost 90% or so in previous 5 to 6 months. All right. And speaking of journeys, our engagement has improved, and even the prominent ones like add to cart and app downloads. We have a journey working for app downloads also. So even that has performed well. All in all, so it's just that one good thing will lead to another. That snowball effect we are seeing right now because of this multi-channel having multi-channel under one roof. One very quick example that just WebEngage helped me last week itself is usually the trend is that during the weekend, all right, the sale drops, all right. So we were not able to figure out for a very long time why was that so. We tried, we visited Google Analytics panel, we visited our ads panel also, but this is where I clicked. I mean, I just thought about WebEngage, and I just went to the overview analytics tab, and there I saw that you can actually have traffic days of the week wise. All right, so I can select a date range of let's say a year, and I can see that how many users were there on Mondays as opposed to Tuesday and so on. Right, so we saw a dip in Saturdays and Sundays. That's where the traffic is low, and so again on investigating further, we also realized that the add to carts and the conversion, I mean add to carts are very low on these 2 days. So that is when we realized that since there's decline in traffic and decline in add to carts, this is where the problem is that we need to, kind of increase our spends or increase our budgets during the weekends just to reach out to more people and have the similar number of people coming to our website to have that achieve to encounter that dip of sales during weekend.
WebEngage. Retention simplified.